Ayaw mo, kukunin ko yan.
Ano ba sa Makati?
Say hi.
Sir, sa may task po.
Hi.
Vito Cruz.
Vito Cruz.
Today's appointment, hotel. Ay, hindi. Ito, salon. So, we'll go there and drop by sa hotel na pinag-workan ni Teo.
LRT. 7-Eleven.
Kahit ano 7-Eleven?
Yes po.
Hi. May? Oh, okay lang. Yung ano niya, okay lang po. Yes. Ha?
Like 30,000 plus for our
Okay lang yan. Ano ba? Inay, minsan lang tayo magpasalon. Okay lang yan.
problem namin ngayon. Kaya ko nabigay na ako ng 20,000. Hindi ko na ngayon binabanggit.
Tell me what the hell am I doing? I don't know.
gagamitin natin to. Kasi may secret haircut to na short lang siya sa likod. I'll show them later. Gutom ka na, Nay? Ako din. 4 na no?
Ang ganda bagay sa'yo. Pumuti ka lalo.
Why?
Ikaw ay mga winter, siguro ano ka? Full winter.
Yung kilay lang talaga ako na masyado siyang boom. So, Tegas Color.
It's my everyday hairstyle.
Yeah. So, di mo na kailangan mag-hairstyle.
Yeah.
And then, si ate is Prada girl. Hey guys. So, wait. Dito ako ngayon sa hotel. Ito yung bathroom. But, basically, ito, meron siyang ganito. Hindi medyo super kalat. So, ito ang aking task today. And, ito ang aking mga roommates. 11 na pag to 12. Kailangan ko ito imisin kasi light na sa Tuesday. So, asikasuhin ko lang ito. Mga dami. Grabe, ang dami. Tinatamad ako pag tinitingnan ko siya. Pero, there's no other time but now. See? So, good luck to me.
Watch your parents came in the cul-de-sac. Leaned back in a leather-clad seat. Pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me. And she said she liked me.
Ang dami po. Ito pa lang natatapos ko. So, I think tomorrow, I'll start with us preparing for the graduation. Okay. Bye. Wow! Guys, actually, inis na si Thea kasi hindi nag-go according sa schedule. Nakabilis na siya, naka-heels na siya ang aga-aga pa. Parang 4 pa dapat yung call time, pero nag-lunch kami outside. So, hindi ko siya mapakita. Sinantay ko si Ate Joyce for this, kaya rin nag-mic ako. Anyway. Nakikita mo sa vlog? Yan sila. Yan. Yun yung boy namin, ano, nagsasurba. Sabi ko yung boy namin nagsasurba. Tingnan mo si tatay. Serve yarn. Daniela came. Well, di naabutan. Naka-shades. Di ko nakita dumaan eh. Uy, wala daw makeup area dito. Cute naman. Happy grad! Thank you!
We're so proud of you.
I'm the camera girl. Ayaw mo, kukunin ko yan.
Kasi, hindi na kasi ako bakit. Thank you.
Congratulations! We'll see her later. Bye-bye. Bye! tabi na. Try natin kung pwede tayong tabi-tabi. Pero ang alam ko, tatawagin kayo before. Ay, pangit. Tignan mo yung doon.
Dito tayo.
May dalawang pera. Ako na. Graduate na. Sabi ni Thea, yung suma is yung naka-long sleeves kami.
Akin yung makabag dito sa kami.
Ay, hindi kinuha.
Nawag mo sila nila. Dalawa sila ni Ate Karen.
Yung ano ni Thea, ang bango.
Muy patas.
Are you proud?
Oo naman.
Saan kaya si Thea upo?
Althea Janine I. Acevedo, cum laude.
Taste! Thea!
Yes. Michelle and D. Kawina, cum laude. Kyle Adrian R. De Guzman, cum laude.
Loud yarn.
Dito to kaya kaya to.
Grabe, trabaho ng trabaho.
Rhea Marie S.
Hi! Hi! Congrats! Hello! Mga pakitang tae kayo. Okay, bye-bye. Saan kayo magpapapicture? TikTok. Sige. Bye!
Rian C. Machado.
Nakahinga na yung mga. No, mucho ka eh. Ang dami na. Dinner time. We're here at Gilligan's. Tapos, nag-long post kasi si Thea. So, yun yung binabasa nila. Ayan o. Paunahang umiyak yung dalawang.
Couldn't be who I am today.
Totoo naman. Oh, ito yung post ni Thea. Babasahin ko na siya. Pero isasama ko siya. Yan. 4 years of constant runs, pressure, and editing. If you know, you know. Sa wakas, I can finally say family made it. I've only been dreaming of this moment for years now, and here I am finishing this course with flying colors. This year's graduation is not only about me, but my achievements, but my family's achievement. This wouldn't be possible without God and to the following people in my life. So, allow me to dedicate this achievement. First and foremost, to my tata, thank you, to express my gratitude for all the years of sacrifice you've made for us three. Never naging madali on your end, but you managed to provide for us. I hope you know how much your daughters love you kahit 3v1 life. Totoo to. And so, here's to the start of our travels. To the kindest and most selfless, ito yung sa'yo. To the kindest and most selfless person I know, Ate Joyce. I can't even begin to say how thankful I am for having you as my sister. Your provider's mindset and family-orientedness is really on another level. Thanks so much for the unwavering support, financially, always, especially this year, and emotionally. I wouldn't have made this far if it weren't for you. To my Ate Laika, the one who raised me in Manila and my life coach. Oh my God, ako yon. I wouldn't be who I am today had it not been for you. Yung quarrels natin from our first years of living together alone. Deep talks and your constant preaching molded me in this version of me today. And for that, I can thank you enough for making me your clone. Clone yarn! Clone yarn! Gusto mo yung clone mo ako? Thank you a lot for always believing in me and reminding me to keep my feet grounded at all times. Yeah, I always tell her that. To my favorite cousins, Ate Kay and Ate May, thank you for being our constant supporters when life's being tough. Through ups and downs, you both were always there for us. To Itay, Inay, Ninor, and Ninang Bet, a heartfelt gratitude for being our second parents. God knows how hard you guided the three of us and kept us from doing things that will make our lives miserable. Thank you for showering us with love and kindness. To my girls, Rocky, Donna, Kat, Camille, and Mika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for making my college life filled with beautiful memories that I'll surely miss. I hope our friendship will not end here, but because life is less boring with you guys, I can thank you for always keeping me company and celebrating because here's the more years of friendship. To my professors, thank you for the See? Ay, walang share. Truly proud. Nabasa ko na. Hinart ko lang, walang comment. Hindi na ako nag-comment. Gusto ko sana i-share, walang share. Dararam, dam, dararam, dam. Tapos ka na?
Not yet. I'm doing some things in between kasi.
Yeah, pero I think that's it to end the day. No? Happy graduation, Taya. We're so proud of you. Love you. Bye. Binati ka dito namin. Bye! Thanks!
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day.
Rehearsal lang.
Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day.